put the safety on, right? Red dot means fire. The safety on. Is the gun safe?
Now it is.
You shouldn't. No. Never rely on the safety. Anything mechanical can fail.
Lateef Dickerson, the director of the New Jersey Firearms Academy, has been in the gun business for 27 years. He trains people planning to get a gun or gun license in New Jersey.
And we have basic, intermediate, and advanced training that we do with all different types of firearms. We compete. We have a competitive shooting team.
A few hours in the classroom and then practice at a shooting range. Dickerson says he's seen more people signing up for training and more people willing to buy a gun or rifle. He says news reports about mass shootings in the country are making people think more about self-defense.
Everyone should have the ability to protect themselves and not have to rely on others for their own safety.
Many Americans believe owning a gun and knowing how to use it gives people a chance to protect themselves when the police aren't available. Dickerson supports the idea of background checks for gun buyers, but says that the personal responsibility of gun owners is most important, as well as knowing how to handle guns safely.
You don't want to be out there and you don't know how to properly engage. This class has a lot of interesting points as far as legal-wise.
It's just basically discipline, being respectful, not breaking no laws out there. I already have background with the military years ago, so I just know the rules and regulations.
In June, the Supreme Court declared that a New York gun control law restricting the carrying of concealed firearms was unconstitutional. The decision set off protests in New York, and authorities promised to find new ways to control the situation.
In light of today's ruling by the United States Supreme Court in this case, we cannot idly stand by and just watch our streets be flooded with guns due to more people being permitted to legally carry firearms in public.
New York lawmakers have since designated parts of the city as gun-free zones, like government buildings, schools, and houses of worship. Not surprisingly, gun rights advocates say the situation should be handled differently.
We should have armed security guards in the school since we know that the school is a soft target, so we need to protect that. Somebody else's concern for their safety should not restrict my rights, and I'm a law-abiding person.
The gun control debate is one of the most heated in a country where the right to bear arms is written into its constitution. For Evgeny Moskov in New Jersey, Anna Rice, VOA News.